Hello guys, it's Mutahar here, and I will be unboxing the Acer VG240Y Pbiip, which is a 144Hz IPS display for only $200. This monitor is special because it is an IPS 144Hz display, which is really good because normal 144Hz monitors are usually TN, which means they have poorer viewing angles and worse colors. So IPS monitors have really good viewing angles and have really good colors. Anyways, let's unbox this monitor. Here's the inside of it. Now let's see what's inside. Here's the monitor. This is what it looks like from the backside. As you can see, there's that Acer logo, a cool aesthetic on the back, along with face mounting. Here's the stand. I like the color of it. It looks really nice. Comes with an HDMI cable, power cord, and the connection to the monitor and the stand. And hey look, it even comes with a manual. Yeah, I'll live with that. Alright, so now that we've unboxed it, let's go set it up and see how it looks. So guys, here's what the setup looks like. We've got the new monitor, we've got my old one, and we got this really old one. One thing's for sure, I can definitely notice the 144Hz refresh rate. Like, it's so smooth. The difference is massive. So I guess this might make me do better in games, but it's mostly determined by your skill. But this just looks beautiful. So yeah, I'm really happy with this setup, and this monitor seems really good, especially with the colors. Like, they look really deep and vibrant compared to the old ones. As you can see, here's what the monitor looks like compared to the old one. The bezels are actually pretty similar, though they are slightly bigger, if you can see that. But overall, it looks really good, especially compared to the older ones. This one just has like a weird color cast. This one looks like nice and vibrant, and then there's that 144Hz refresh rate. Now you can't really see that because this is a 30 FPS video, but it looks like silky smooth. And so I hope this helps me do better in games, and it'll look amazing when I'm playing games. So guys, I've been playing around with the monitor settings, and it looks like there's also an HDR function in there, which is pretty cool. I've been looking at like a lot of settings, and they look really nice to tinker with. Overall, I really love this monitor, and the colors are really vibrant. If I were to rate this monitor, I would give it a 5 out of 5. So guys, thank you all for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye!